Hello everybody, so this is another episode of my 2013 Sign FRS Widebody / Batmobile / whatever you call it. So today's episode we're gonna be putting new wheels. So here are my new wheels. There you go. So these are Reform 6. This is not concave because the concave one is really expensive. It's like arm and a leg. Even these though, it's really expensive. Front, so I have a two, as you can see, front and rear. Other two, it's in the other car, so I'll be bringing it in later. Because we're gonna be taking out these wheels because I'm gonna be using same tires because I can't afford new tires right now, so we're gonna be using those. So I have to take it out, all four of them, and I have to trim a couple of pieces on here and on the front. As you can see, it's rubbing a little bit, like I have these cuts right here, so we have to fix that so we can do full turn radios. And what else? So we have next week upcoming first show of the season, so we're gonna be going there. What I most hate about my car, it's roads. Because of that, I'm gonna show you. I have a crack here. I have a crack right here. I have a crack, looks like right here. I have a 1, 2, 3 big cracks right there. So, and then even here on the bottom we have a crack. So I don't know, man. I just wanna move to Florida, I guess. We'll see. That might be a good option because the roads are really good up there. And then second thing about it, paint. That's really rough. That's really bad. It looks good when it's cloudy, there's no sun, but when there's a sun and a lot of lights, you can see all the imperfections. So yeah. So back to wheels. So these are 18 by 9.5 on the front, and I got 18 by 12 inches wide. So yeah, it's gonna be bronze, gloss bronze on the lip and matte bronze on the face. It looks pretty good. I love it. I was thinking getting work wheels, but they told me work wheels wait time about 3 to 4 months, and these came in 2 months. Big shout out to Wheel Lab. They really helped me out sorting these out and helping me from the beginning. I was going back and forth with them for weeks, trying to figure out what kind of wheels I want, all the specs and all that stuff. So they helped me out to place an order and all that stuff. So I'll put a link in the description if you guys want any wheels. They have a lot of wheels and even suspension, so go check them out. So yeah, this is the center cap, big one. So let's move this thing. There you go. There you go. It's 5 by 100. So we'll be bolt on. After I place an order, I was thinking I did a mistake. I should have just went 5 by 114.3. So I could have swapped out the hubs to put them on, because a lot of cars have 5 by 114.3. So if future on, I'll be running wide body Skyline, I could have just tossed them in there, But you know what? Whatever. So Okay, let's jack this car up on the air. So take the wheels out, so test fit it, make sure everything's all good, because I didn't test fit it yet. So this is it's gonna be my first time, so yeah. So I'm gonna put you guys, and let's go ahead. Alright, as you can see, I took it out right side, driver's side of rear and front. Here's the old tires. As you can see, I have really bad cut, so it's rubbing. When I'm doing full turn, it's cutting. This side is okay, not that bad. The rear looks pretty fine. I'm not seeing any signs of rubbing. However, I see one cut right here. I don't know how bad is that. Looks deep. Hopefully it's not that bad. So yeah, I mucked it up the front. We do clearing the big brake kit. It's not hitting or anything like that, so which is good. However, there's one issue. Issue is, so here is my 6-speed 3-piece lug nut. It's not really fitting up here. Even if it's gonna fit, it won't fit the luck, so I can't put it back. So I don't know what we're gonna do. The holes are really small, so I have to figure out what to do. I have to maybe go run to the auto parts store, try to get something smaller or something that's gonna fit. But other than that, no fitment issues with that, and it looks flush like I wanted it. If I want to run a little bit kimber, then I have to put spacer on there. So there you go. So there you go. Basically it's gonna be same as the front, except more aggressive offset, as you can see. So yeah, now let's put the rear. So let's try them on. This guy's a pain in the ass. Really small. Okay, let's go. Put them on. I don't have a big brake kit in the back, so there's no problem. Yeah. There you go. Damn, this one is way more aggressive. Shoot, I have to go ahead and figure out what to do with the bolts on and try to trim. Oh yeah, I didn't show you guys what exactly happening in the front. I'm gonna put this guy up here. So Here's the wheel. It's like barely fitting. Literally, it's barely fitting up there, so it's not even fitting. Shit. Oh, let's try these guys. Oh, perfect. Perfect. I had a set of these, so I'm gonna put these on. Alright guys, so we're going ahead and mount the tires. Here they are. So we mount the tires. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. It was a little bit expensive. Like tire shops, they always do that. You call them in, they're like, hey man, that's 20 bucks a piece. After you give them all the spec, what kind of tire, what kind of wheels, they're like 20 bucks a piece. When you got there, they were like, oh, 100 bucks for all. I was like, okay, cool. And then 10 minutes later I left, they called me, hey, you know what, it's actually gonna be 160 because we didn't know that you had old wheels and tires. Here they are. So basically dismount them and all that stuff. I was like, oh well, whatever. We already there, so might as well. I mean, I already left. I'm not gonna go back and pick him up again. So I was like, okay, well, whatever. Hold on. I'm gonna put both of the fronts on, and then I'm gonna turn the wheel all the way around to make sure. All right, both of the front wheels are in. Let's put the cap on. There you go. Good. Sorry guys, it's a little bit dark. I will eventually get nice lighting here, but unfortunately can't right now. Oh, come on. Oh wait. But we are in. Here we go, folks. Here is our wheels. Boom. Looks pretty good. No clear. It is clearing brakes. Like basically finger space here, but it should be good. So yeah, let me put the cap on the other side. This is the next day. I did a test drive. Still rubs a little bit at the old spot, but it's okay. We just won't have a full register. But here's the wheels, guys. Looking pretty good. It exposes the brake pretty good, so that's really nice. Barely can fit the finger out here, so the front was basically same fitment as I had it before. Rear, it's about an inch wider, so it's like 18 by 12 inch. Here, barely can fit finger in there. Looks good, deep dish. But yeah, I got a little cool sticker right there. And then here's the other side. Looks dope. Here, I can't even fit finger in up here. I don't know why, so I have to get an alignment a little bit. I don't know if you can